Hello Reshad.
Hello, Abigo. How have you been?
I am over the moon. And you?
I am doing well.
Thank you. Do you know this book?
Yes, I know this book. It's a pre-IELTS book level 2.
Okay. How do you know this book?
I know about this book from English Fantasy in Mohammadpur. And it's a very interesting book and it's helpful for IELTS exam.
Okay. And how is this book?
It's a great book and it's helpful for IELTS, and you can see that in this book it has a very grammatical topic. It's a very great book and it's also helpful for our IELTS exam, and it's also helpful for speaking, writing, listening, writing, and also it helps for our knowledge develop.
Is it helpful for learn English?
Yes, it is very helpful for IELTS exam and also helpful for our learning English. Grammatical topic, listening topic, writing topic, and also vocabs topic. And there are many helpful sentence and pronunciation. If you read this book, you can speak properly and you can write it properly, and you will get a test seat for IELTS exam.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.